salt.
Pepper to you.
And I'm Pepper.
I'm Vinegar. And I'm Sugar.
We don't care about the vinegar part.
Okay, fine. I'm Vinegoris.
It's
what?
It's vinegar, not Vinegoris. And by the way, what the hell is a Vinegoris?
Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. Press the button. Press the button.
Yes, press the button. Press the button.
I pressed the button. Why didn't I press? What the?
A random dude came flying from the sky.
Why is there? I'm a little.
I don't want to be
Ew.
friends.
Burn it.
Give me Robux, please.
Oh. No, we're not gonna give you.
Okay, friend.
No.
Ew. So disgusting. I'm just gonna press the button. Time to play Dead Friends. It seems someone has to stop the runners from reaching the trap. Wait, what? Oh my god, I can't even make it through. This one just has to spectate, Pepper.
Oh my! Candice, stop!
But I didn't get to the end. So you still won. I pressed. What the? Okay, need to go 1 minute. Okay, 2. We don't do stay. I don't think I'm supposed to stay. This is giving epic videos.
I don't. Stop moving! Stop moving! You're so stupid.
Pepper, you.
Oh my god!
No, they don't even stink. This game is broken.
Pepsi man.
He had to go, I think. Or like 8K.
Well then, fuck.
Let's continue without him. Again? Bro, why is it always salt? I'll press the button.
No.
What the?
Ooh.
Night guard! I'm gonna kick your ass!
Is this supposed to be his tongue?
I can
No,
move.
we're going through his body.
I can move.
You're supposed to go through his body? He pooped me out. Now I have a poop hat. Wait, no, don't poop me out. Please, stop. Oh, thank God.
Oh.
I'ma die.
No, you're not allowed to.
There, no more poop hat.
What happened? Okay, how about we make a rule? If you look ugly, you have to keep it. I mean, look at her.
No!
Ugly.
She's not allowed to keep it, but you're allowed to keep
Don't
it,
look at me.
Vinegar. Reset, it's that simple.
Just don't reset.
Reset!
More than talking, more than walking in the streets. New desire, take me higher, lift me higher with your speed. I need fire, get the satellite if you wanna see me talking on the net. I'm on the way, you like it, get your credit card, 'cause I need no money. All I want
Dude, just shut the nigga. You're making us sad.
Blah, 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 blah.
Press the button.
Oh.
That's a reference to a t-shirt. Oh no.
Tsunami? Get up, get up, get up. I wanna die, I'm ugly.
If you're going to die,
Okay,
I'm
you know
going
what?
to
Sugar,
die.
just die.
I'm going to die with you.
You're so nice. I wonder if the others will survive. Let's
don't
take
think
a
they
look
will.
at where they are going. We're at the top. Oh my god, me and Pepper is so much better than you guys.
Shut up.
I'm killing Vinegar. Vinegar,
too.
get ready. Wait, no! Guys, are you guys teaming up on me? Yep.
Killer. Killer.
Wait, is this gonna be added to my count?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys are actually destroying me. Pepper, are you also going?
Come on, Pepper. Murder her. Murder her.
Not really.
Kill her!
Murder her.
This is so
Pepper.
unfair.
Pepper, stop it.
Pepper, I hope you die. Pepper, I swear. Oh my god, he has solo. Kill him, kill him, kill him. We killed him!
Hold on, I'm gonna go eat
Oh
some
my
ice
god,
cream.
you guys actually suck. What the fuck? Street cookie. No! Oh my god, no!
I just
we
went
all
to
suck,
I
or
went
what?
to eat salt and ice cream.
I swear to God, Pepper, I'm going to kill you.
Kill him! Kill him!
Kill him!
Come on! You got this!
Yeah,
Yeah!
suck ass. I'm targeting you. No, it was so fun. I was literally gonna sabotage if you guys didn't steal all my plugs. Wait, my table is broken! So! No! Who gives a shit? Iceland, only 3 players can make it? I already know I'm going to lose. I hate all. Bro, why am I so slow? Are you kidding? Did you just laugh?
Yeah. I love the vinegar.
I'm not going into it. Pepper, you do it. I'm smarter than you. Bigger head, smarter.
No! It means
Bigger
you're
head,
dumb.
bigger brain.
Oh.
No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Wacky pack. What? Did you just say wacky pack? Oh.
Stop going after mine!
Peppy has. Did I just say Peppy? win. Bro, guys, give me it. Give me them. Do you guys really want Pepper to win over me?
I'll try and whack Pepper.
Guys, I have like 3 and I'm not doing anything. He has a literal 19. How are we gonna win against that? That is so unfair. How?
It's because he's on a computer. I have to be on this stupid phone to be recorded.
Wait, don't get pushed off. I'm winning. Bro, it's not. I'm still laying here.
I don't care.
My big head is going to sleep.
Oh,
I died.
oh my god.
No, I died too.
Ugh.
Press the button, guys.
No.
Oh my god, Sugar died. You just have to stand on the edge. That's how easy it is. Press the button, guys. So, what's going on?
Oh, I am now the size of a little bombs.
Oh, this is so much bigger than me. My head. Oh my god, look my head.
Oh,
Press the button.
again?
It's not gonna. The massive hitbox. No. Where's it? Where? Oh. Bullying me, Pepper. They're bullying me. I'm getting bullied. Bro, why are you running away from me?
Hey, can I give you a gift?
Go away.
No!
Ugly.
I want to show
You're
you some cool
stinky.
dance moves.
Why are you dancing?
Sugar, my baby. Get
Yeah,
to
I'm
this
not-
white background. I want to be in a picture. No, I want to. I'm in the picture. Pepper.
Look.
Wait. Are you? No. You have 2 arms. That should be the.
like trains.
What the heck?
That's weird. Again?
Stop.
Donate to me.
No,
No.
that cake.
Get to the top and dodge the incoming Oh, no. Why are you jumping so much?
Yes!
That's not gonna work.
You're jumping. Oh no. Salt, I'm right behind you. Wait. Ew, he's still here. Can we like get that trains thing so we can explode him later? Oh wait. I killed him. I killed Vinegar twice. Why are you crying, baby? Oh,
Because
oh
I got
yeah,
jump
I'm
scared by
doing
a boulder.
That's quite big. Impressive.
Oh my god, again! Come on! I'm fucking tired of this fucking game.
After that amazing thing you just watched, we should calm things down a bit. Yeah, we should. It gets faster every single freaking time.
Oh my.
Oh my!
Oh my god. I'm killing you. And I win again. I told you, Pepper, I'm much better than you. Target her, she already lost the fight.
Chungas,
be a
That
Deltarune
animation
reference?
sucks.
Was that supposed to be a Deltarune reference? Cause
What's definitely
it's like an.
bombs?
It's like an.
Push vinegar. Wait, what? Did I just say push myself? Wait, we can push the bomb.
Oh,
Budget!
No! I accidentally pushed a bomb that had sugar on it.
oh.
A diamond is in the cave. Pepper, I swear to God, you're gonna steal.
If you dare underestimate me, I will kill you, you son of a.
Salty for me.
Hold on. As an expert myself, I know where the diamond is.
Oh, hi, Pepper. Salt, I see you. I'm coming for you. Oh, there's a girl. Where could the diamond be?
It could be in your ass.
It's weird.
Let's go! I am an expert. Yay!
Jump to the top.
Oh,
Oh, wait, you're supposed to jump. Wait, what?
Oh,
Oh, I'm not gonna do it.
why not?
I'm not an alien.
Yes, you are.
Trace. No.
I give me a death myself. Hi. One. Chungus.
yes.
Are you kidding me? They used one of the first songs in Deltarune. Oh yeah! Yeah! Yay! Mountain climber!
Do you see us?
Hey girl, are you doing alright? Are you no table.
Push Pepper off. Push Pepper off.
Wait, I got a table. Let's go. I have a table.
Everybody team up on Pepper. Team up on Pepper, guys. Wait, is Pepper like 8K?
Yeah, he's definitely.
Oh, we teamed up on him.
Yeah, you're tough.
Yeah, but
No!
yeah.
She jumped off. Square ball with... Wait, Vinegar's not inside, look.
That is
Vinegar
not
didn't get
fair.
inside. I didn't even get to... Oh, shit. I suck at street, guys.
Kirby balls at your local factory store. Buy them now because they're gone on April 8th. Once they are gone, you can go to the dumpster and ask for Dale. He will give you a sweet deal for a Kirby ball. Come on, get one now.
I have no idea what he's saying, but he's very good at saying.
Go and get the Kirby ball. Not because they will be gone April 8th. If you don't get one, you will die.
How about Salt? Salt presses the button. Stop, Pepper. Pepper, stop it. You're ugly.
What? Bam! Come on. Let's go trick or treating. Should we knock on this door?
You're a princess.
No.
Knock, 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 knock. No, don't knock.
No.
Yeah. Yes, no.
Yay! Let's knock. I got a green key.
Yay! I have a little hat on. And I have big head.
I got this guy. I can kill you. I'm a witch. I'm a wicked witch. Wait, I have to click activate.
I'm done.
Bro, you suck at it.
We gotta go. We live for we die. Yeah. I don't want to die. And I don't want my friends to see me die. Right in front of the eye. The rainbow.
I lost my beautiful pirate hat.
Yay! I did it.
So ugly. You were both so ugly.
No shit.
No, we're pretty.
Wait,
Defend the
wait.
statue, guys. The noobs will be coming.
Oh no. Okay,
Everybody
everyone
takes
go to one
corner,
side.
okay?
Die.
Yep.
Die.
Okay, I'll go on this side then. Get away from here. You're not welcome here.
Oh, Pepper's dying.
Who cares? Take care of your own.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, I found
I'm dying.
Oh no, I'll help you.
Thank you. Ah!
The power of friendship.
Oh no. Murder them. Ah!
Get away.
Wait, no. I'm about to die.
You respawn if you die.
Nom nom nom.
You finish the maze before it disappears? I think we die if we don't finish the maze. We have to get up to the balcony.
So expert, I know. I will get through.
Did you make it? Shut up.
I made it!
Sugar, I swear to God, you're so unlucky.
Yes, I'm a maze professional.
What did he do? Bro, where is the end? Feels like it's right in front of my eyes. Oh my God, there's no way.
Sugar's actually kind of close to it. She's going away from it. No!
My hat! My hat! No!
Stop singing again.
It's me,
So I
Maya.
finally
It's
understand
me,
it.
Cabby. It's me, Meta Light.
I
I will kill
fell.
you, Cabby. No, it's me, King DDD. I will kill you both. Because you both are
Wait, shit,
What the
I'm
hell is
stuck.
that?
I'm stuck, guys. I'm stuck.
Banana Waddle Dee. Wait, please, no. Please. No.
I'm stuck.
Swan,
It's
wanna go get an apple? Yes, yeah.
Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom.
Pollos.
Pepper, you suck. Spam click it. You're all in the way.
Please.
It's so easy on computer.
My fingers.
$258 and we're 4 people. And a giant. Don't worry, you might get it back. Ducks!
Huh?
Duckies! I need my duckies. Duckies, I will save you.
Ready.
Duck.
I need one.
Quack.
Please. Just give me one.
My duck. I'm not getting any single one.
No, these are my ducks.
My duckies. Me and Salt will be getting duckies together. You correct. What's the first name? What are their names? What? Oh my.
Oh, you're supposed to stand at one of the holes that you can fit through. Nice.
Bro.
Why can't I?
Wait, can it? Go hard to. Oh, you just stare with like how you. Oh. I think I'm going the wrong position. Vinegar, you're down. You're going down, not up. Look at Vinegar. Look at her down there. Guys, where should you go? Look at her.
I cannot see.
She's so tiny.
Oh,
Guys,
dear.
I'm coming.
Well, that was a weird minigame.
That was kind of boring.
I hope we get Pandemonium's minigame.
It's on fire, guys. We need the fire extinguisher.
Extinguisher.
It's my.
Come on. You fucking idiot.
Pepper, I swear to God, you should have gave it to like me. I was so close.
Come on, murder them. I'll be at the witch's being forced in time. Yes, you're doing good for this.
We literally did all the hard work. I'm drinking it. It gave me nothing. Wait, it gave me extra jump. Wait, now we can use this for our advantage. Oh. I used it for my disadvantage and now I don't have it.
It's okay. I'll give you a hug.
Too bad, too sad.
Could you shut up and not be mean?
Wait, can't you guys just jump over them?
Maybe? Nope, you can't because it has the biggest hitbox in the world. Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
You're stuck there to watch us.
Watch you.
What? Did you all lose? So can you stop it? Don't you want to look at Sugar maybe making it?
Oh yeah.
Guys, I made it!
Hello.
Can I jump to you?
I will kiss you goodnight.
Yes.
Oh, I'm pushing.
I will kiss you goodnight,
Pepper,
Sugar.
be ready for a big table against you.
And I don't have a table again. This is just not fair.
Kick Sugar off.
I'm a short
Stop!
Good night.
They kicked me off.
Yeah. I know.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Nobody likes you.
Shut up,
Literally
I'm
nobody
trying
likes you.
to
Is there
sleep.
anybody here that likes Pepper?
But just shut up. I'm trying to sleep, babe.
Let's just email. Oh my, again?
Oh,
I don't have a table. I don't even have a table.
No.
This is not fair. Do you have a table, Saul?
No, I'm trying to sleep.
But we're making a video. Wait, did I push Pepper off?
yeah.
What are you pushing? Bro, I can't even push the table. Bro, now I'm stuck like this.
I'm back from my very nice nap. No,
Oh, I picked this one. I picked this one. So let's go together.
guys, I
Hurry!
spilled my ice cream.
Never mind.
So. Oh my gosh. Are you just gonna stay there? Yep. Oh my. No way! She survived without moving. Salt, are you still there or are you like crying?
Murdered with ice cream.
Oh.
Just get out of here, people. Salt, are you there?
Yeah, but I spilled my ice cream.
What are you talking about?
I have ice cream now.
I pushed him off.
Is it only going to be that mini game?
It's going to be this one all the time now.
Oh my freaking god.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. I'm gonna stay with Salt.
Thank you. It's not fun cleaning.
The spiky walls, don't touch the spikes. Salt, you're getting stabbed! Pepper! Salt? Salt, are you there? Salt, I feel like you're being very lazy right now. And video means that you're supposed to be in the video. You're literally the one recording. Your angle is probably the worst angle right now. Oh my. But I jumped. Salt? Are you back yet?
Yes, soon. I just gotta throw all the paper.
Why aren't you moving?
After 20 million mini games.
Yeah, some of them were actually How do you blow it?
Press no bubble. Help me! Help! Help me!
Of course I can.
Help! Oh.
Why do I still have my...
No.
Who clicked yes? Do I still have my bubble gum?
Yeah.
Did I just survive? Sadly.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael.
Oh.
What the? What the actual hell? Ah! 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 Please. Come on. Come on, eat that. Eat that.
Why is there one under the tree? And we're only decorating one side.
Please. Please. Camera's spinning.
Oh my god, I won. Guys, I won for the first time. Can I get the honor to click the button?
Yes.
I didn't even get the
Red key.
key. I did it! Wait, what? Which key? I can't find anything. You guys stole all the keys.
Maybe
Wait,
this one.
there's like 3 in the bathroom. I did it last second. Yes! Oh my god! We're the same. Why is it always me? What if it's a ghost? It's gonna try to kill us. I swear it's gonna. My hat! I swear, whoever survives ugly. Can you stop it? Freebies? I swear, stop. So yum.
Huh?
A lever is hiding somewhere in the
Oh
kitchen.
no. My phone is dying.
How much do you have? Wait, we have to go into the temple too? Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me, wait for me. Are you?